Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing like a random color generator challenge or random color challenge. Listen, I haven't decided what I want the title to be called yet. I have to figure it out, see what sounds the best in my head. But basically I was just sitting in bed trying to think of video ideas, and I was like, you know what, I just don't feel like coming up with a video idea, and what better way to fix a solution than to let the robots decide. So I'm going to be looking up a generator, a color generator on Google. I'm pretty sure I have one. I will screen record it, but hopefully I can put it in the video. I don't know. But so basically we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look that is generated by that. This is kind of similar to my using colors from each. I honestly don't remember what I called it. I think I was using different palettes and just using like a color from each palette. It's gonna be similar, except this is choosing the colors for me. So I'm trying to think if I want to do like a cut crease or if I want to do like a smoky. I'll probably do like a cut crease and work down. If I'll do like a transition color, I'll maybe do like two other colors in the crease and then like a lid color and then like a color to blend it out. You know, we'll work through it together as a family. So if you guys want to see me do that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I zoomed in because obviously it's an eyeshadow challenge, and why do an eyeshadow challenge if you can't really see the eyeshadow? So I felt like the easiest way would be for me to grab my colorful palettes that pretty much have all the colors. So I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette, and then also the EYN 42 color bright palette from Beauty Bay. Honestly, this is a challenge, like this isn't a tutorial, so I probably won't like say the names of the shadows and all that good stuff, but just in case y'all were wondering. Okay, let me prime my eyes really quickly first because I didn't do that. I'm gonna do it like one at a time. So basically I'm gonna sort of generate the color, and then I'm gonna do it on my lid, and then I'll do the next one and all that good stuff because I'm gonna forget if I don't do it that way. So this is the color that I was already on, and we're not going to use that one just because like I see it, so it's no fun. This doesn't do like a wheel or anything. I just click on it and it changes the color. So okay, it's like this lime green color. Okay, so that's going to be the crease color. So I want to get a different palette. So if I like see a color that isn't really represented in these palettes, and I know that I have a color that will represent it better, then I'm going to grab that. So basically I'm going to take the Tri palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take Tootsie, and I might mix it in with a little bit of this shade, like these two. I feel like that makes a perfect lime green shade. So that's gonna be the crease color, so let's do that. Guys, I have no doubt in my mind that this is gonna end up looking crazy, so don't expect this to be a good video. Like, I mean, it might be a good video, but like a good looking eyeshadow look, because I don't think that's gonna happen. So right now I'm just blending out that cream. Okay, so now that that color is down, we are going, I keep hitting different things when I'm trying to screen record, and it's frustrating me. Like I literally hit the calculator. Okay, so now we're gonna do the next color. Okay, orange. Okay, so basically the way that this is, I think it goes through different colors of, so it was like green and then it was like lighter green. So basically if it shows green, you see how I was just like kept hitting generate. If it's green, then I'm gonna keep, if it's in the same color family, I'm gonna keep generating it until I get a different color family, if that makes sense, because otherwise it would just be like a green look and that's not fun. The next color is orange. So I'm gonna, actually they have an orange in this palette, so I'm gonna take that orange, Baramo, I think that's how you say it. Okay, so let's do the next color. Ooh, okay, bright pink. We're gonna put that in our crease as well. We're gonna use the second color in the pink row from the Alexis Stone palette. Put that into the crease. I swear it looks like the color that the generator picked, but because it's mixing with the green, it's like looking orange or something. Okay, no, so after this we'll cut the crease and then we'll do a lid shade. I refreshed the page. So basically what happens is it goes back to the original color that like the dark green from the beginning that I didn't even use anyways, and then when you hit generate it goes to like a different color. So generate, we already did pink, so let's do another one. We already did green, blue. I mean, these are all the colors. So I'm gonna cut my crease and then put on blue, but I'll do the blue with you guys. I'm just gonna cut my crease really quick. We're gonna do one eye at a time, so let's do the blue. I'm gonna use the fourth blue in the Alexa Stone palette. Kind of is the best looking one that matches, so let's do that. And now we're gonna do another color for the color that we blend this out with, and then I just thought of this genius idea. Since I have this CC Beauty palette, I can do like colored liner. So then after I do the color that we're gonna blend out the edge with, we're gonna do a liner color. We kind of already have that color, so okay, purple. This look is something else. Okay, you know what? Period. I actually forgot about lower lash line, so I'll do liner and then lower lash line color. So two more colors that we're gonna choose from. Actually, let's do lower lash line first, just because like let's just get the shadow over with. Okay, since we already did that color blue, we didn't do this color pink. Like this is like a super light pink, so we're gonna do this pink. You know what, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so now we're gonna do liner color, and then after this we're gonna go off camera and put on some lashes, and then you know, finish up. Okay, so we're gonna stick with this color, I guess, which is like a dark green, so that'll kind of just tie everything into the finishing bonito look. So yeah, let's do this dark. I keep showing you guys this, but I'm screen recording, so I'm gonna show you guys this dark, I'm gonna do this dark green liner. Okay, I did that eyeliner. You can't really see it, but I'll do a zoom in later and then you guys will probably be able to see it better. So I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash, and then I guess that's it. I was thinking maybe we can do like a random color for my lips too, just like make it fun. So I'm gonna do my lashes and then we'll do the lips just to make me look even more crazier. So I put on a lash and all that good stuff. So now let's do the lips, like I said, just to finish off and make me look even more crazier. And then I'll do like a close-up of what it looks like, because it actually doesn't look that bad. Like, I mean, would I wear it out? Probably not, but it doesn't look that bad. I went to a different color picker, so now I'm gonna tap the screen and see what color I want to do for my lips. It's giving me that green. Okay, we're gonna do the green. Okay. I literally look like I dropped a colorful eyeshadow on my face and just left it there. I was like, okay, time to go. Okay, so this is the finished look. Like I said, I'll do a close-up, but it's nothing to write home about, so don't get too excited. So yeah, this video was super fun as always. I love just like playing around with makeup, putting different colors together and just seeing what the outcome is. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing this. You can use any color generator online. It would also be really fun if you had like a wheel, like you know how Lisa Ashley used to do like Makeup Mondays, I think, or Mystery Makeup. I forget what it was called, but she would have like a wheel and she would spin that bad boy. Or if you put colors in like something and then pick them out randomly, that would also be fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time. It looks so weird, my lips look so weird. To be notified every time that I upload. If you want to follow me, if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on my social medias. All that good stuff will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Period.